When we talk about hosting an article on a WordPress account, for that you need to sign in with the WordPress and like if you have not created your account, you can go and directly register this account. And as I have sent invitation, if you have invitation, then you have a procedures how to create. Otherwise, if you already have a username, you can directly log in and add this particular site to your existing site as well if you're maintaining one more WordPress account as well. Like the Azure Guys 007. You can see I can go to the site. I'll go to the reader and you can see what site I have is or the articles which I posted earlier is Azure Guys, and directly click it. You can see the Azure Guys. I have created two articles, and I'll be creating a test article so that you can understand how to create an article on it, so that you doesn't need to get troubled. Yeah, or you can directly, if you have multiple sites, you can click manage, and you can see the Azure Guys is there, and I have few more other sites which are there would be get populated here in this particular place, or the followed sites if you follow, they are also displayed here. So for now we're going to create an article on the Azure Guys. So let's select the Azure Guys. Yes, here is a website. If I want to describe this particular website, like as we discussed on the group, like we'll be having different set of categories, and each categories would be on depend upon like cloud providers. Maybe for now we have Azure and AWS, and in future we may have Google Cloud or VMware Cloud and Google Cloud or the other clouds which can actually help us. Or we have in Azure we have categories like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, and blogs on Azure. Like we'll have a blogs, or the articles which you'll be posting will be categorized under them. If it's blogs on Azure, it can be, or it can be blogs on AWS here. Under this it would be displayed, or we'll have a daily dose, which are these daily dose would be a smaller quotes or do you know kind of quotes which actually relieve some facts of Azure and AWS, and it's a well read or easily digestible topics, like maybe a five sentence topic you can mention here. and and one more we have is like the Azure Guys members profile here. This particular section is would be displaying the members, the Azure Guys, all of the Azure Guys members with the photo and their biopic, with their bios, like what they're currently doing, what they expertise on it, and with their contact number. In case of any private videos or private for hosting a private videos or private training sessions for the people, so that each one of us in the group can get benefit, we will be displaying their data here and their contact number and their email ID, so that public can easily access your data and contact you and get a training sessions from you as well. And we have a contact section which would be like let me click on it here. This contact section will be having like the people who want to contact us for training as well, or want to get involved into the group, or want to share their post their articles also, we can have their contact information from them. And we'll be having an about sections which would be describing I have not filled up, will be filling up. And you can see every page would be having uh, once we have the Azure Guys things, everything, and the Facebook page, everything. The Facebook page we have the Azure Guys, and the and for now it's the Azure Guys. And for future, in future we will be making into the cloud group or the cloud expertise or some other groups based upon the DNS which we are getting, domain name which we get, so that whatever we post on those particular tweets or everything would be displayed in this particular website, so that we get more redirections to this website, and the people can travel across from the you guys videos also will be coming up in in another new sections which we are thinking. But for now, WordPress doesn't allow much customization on this. So for now, we'll be until we are bringing up the website. And let me show how our website will be looking alike. Like I'm planning to make the website like this. So the website would the articles would be shown up, the recent article would be shown up, basically about the categories. And whenever you click a category or a topic, then that particular article would be populated and people can read this particular article irrespective of what particular devices they're gonna access. They being We'll be using Bootstrap and AngularJS so that it would make the page more responsive. Let us try. Let me open a developer tool. Let me click F12 that, and let me see the devices. Where is the devices? Yes, here is the devices. I want to check how this particular uh, how it looks on different devices. Yes. So what happens is like we'll have different devices even in different devices you can see like this being responsive, and this on a compared typical desktop, and if it is viewable on a mobile desktop it should be looking like this, or an iPad it should be looking like this. And if it's this being so responsive, it will align up the images or the categories whatever we would be defining. Let me go about. You can see the tabs are populating like this, and if I click here, I can even a person can read the article, whatever we post onto our website, and we'll have a sharing on Facebook as well. That's what I wanted to explain on the how our website, a new website, would be looking alike. But for now, you please go ahead and post your articles on this particular website, which is called the ishoguys.wordpress.com, and we have a 3 GB capacity, so you don't think a lot about posting out your articles or videos on it or giving YouTube links on it. And I'm looking out for like YouTube links how to display with an iframe tags or something. Like this particular video is displayable. You can see this.
जी ये
You can see this.
म्यूजिक
It's
और
ऑस्ट्रेलिया डिग्री लेने
you
गए थे क्या
can
पीवी?
zoom it
डिग्री
वो चुप।
like that.
तेरे डैडी और मम्मी दोनों को डायबिटीज है, साथ में हार्ट अटैक भी देना चाहता है
So
क्या?
what I can
ये
do
डिम्पल की
is
दादी
like
जी के हैं।
I'm looking for more options of having a different page where we have videos of each and every person whoever post on the show guys, and then I'll be editing it and posting it out here. And whenever you guys like the categories uh, uh, are being aligned up, if you like this design or don't like this design, let me know. I can customize it. Yeah, I can change the customization, or by going to, or I can select any other themes. So like this you can select any other themes as well. You can select a theme, or you can add particular website. uh, So if I want to go and edit this, like you can customize by clicking customize, you will have different themes, online themes, which is available with the WordPress. This website being a free one, we don't have sufficient features. We have plugins, but that's for premium. This one domains everything. Uh, you can add people, like the way I have sent invitation to you was like this. I add your email IDs here and add your as an admin role and send a custom message to yours. And yes, when posting out an article, like I have posted out 2 articles, you can see the I show guys daily dose. So the daily dose would be having this kind of things which I have just tested, and 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 the articles which I posted is like this. So let's go and create an article so that you just go and write. Let's say this is a test article. Create a test article. You can highlight it. You can make it change the header and create an add image. You need to upload add new image if you wanna create a. You can create and you can add a new article like this, and let me choose an article like this. Post insert. I'll just okay. It's in HTML format. Let me take it to you visual, so you can see the issue simplified. You can select this. So if you are like to edit on HTML, you can try editing on the HTML of just a visual. Then paste your articles, whatever it's there here, and just post it. You can add image like this, and you can change the font colors like this, and you can change. If you want a heading, then you can add a heading like this. So once you're done, you can publish them, but before that you can change. uh, you can categorize everything and add tags. Like if you want to put on to, like I have added as Asia search or underline party earlier, you can add to any other tag, so that it's, if a person is searching on the WordPress or the WordPress, it's easy to find the article. And you can set a featured image like this. Also set a feature, you can set on top of your article. This featured image would be displayed. You can display anything related to the concept your article uh, shows on. The sharing I have already done. And if you want to add the sharing tabs also, you can add. You can show the, you can allow comments or pingbacks or trackbacks, or you can add locations. Once everything is done, these things are selected, you can just publish your article. So the articles publishes within seconds. Once the article publishes, you can see that this is a test article we have mentioned. And once the article gets done, you go back and go to a readers section of your article, go manage, uh, go to the site directly. Now you need to customize your article. So customization, you can go directly. Have a problem, then just click this. Customize slash the Azure guys. So once you added article, come to menus, you select a primary and go down to say add items. So you have added an article, so you can see the article. Right. The name is the test article. Okay. So that was a post. So this is a test article. You just click plus, and this would be appearing here. So once you post a test article, since that being a test article or a blog, you just want to put it's a Azure test article or some other article. You just drag this and put in your wherever tab you want. This is a test article. Let me put under daily dosed. Okay. So once you're done, you can see that this is a test article. It's under a post, and I'll just click save and publish. So that's how you tag or create a link, give a link for these particular categories, or the main categories which we have. So you click People click on the this is the test article, and you can see your test article. Then the issue is simplified. Hope you like this one, and keep posting your articles on the Aisho guys group, and let me know if you face any kind of trouble on the group. Thank you.